Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Now it might be a difficult one today, because they're all pretty short words, but let's give it a go. We've got parts of a tree, can't see any others, so we'll assume there's no red herring. They are all parts of a tree, that is a correct group, that's good. What next? A gag and a muzzle are pretty similar, but I don't know what 2 other words could go in that group. A tad and a bit are similar. Oh, a bit is also a word for a gag or a muzzle, isn't it? For horses. So given that there aren't 4 words for small things like a tad and a bit, maybe that is the 3rd one in the gag muzzle group. But I don't know if a tad is a word for that as well. So we'll have to come back to that. So, what are we going to do instead? We've got flag and fur. We've got the top 4 as well. Tail, may, act and paw. None of those go with tad or bit. And none of them go with gag, bit or muzzle, as far as I know. So, what are they going to go with? You can act in a sketch. Don't think there's 2 other connected words. You can paw at something. Paw is the start of pawn, but there aren't other chess piece beginnings. I don't know. What's the significance of a flag? Something you wave? You could wave a paw. Well, I suppose paw, tail and fur are all parts of an animal. Not sure there's a 4th one though. And would they really have parts of a tree and parts of an animal in the same puzzle? So, what are we going to do instead? Furnace? Furtive? Sketch. I've got no idea what is going on. A sketch is a drawing or a scene, as in a sketch show. I mean, a sketch and an act sort of could go together in that respect. But I don't know what 2 other things we're going to have. I'm just going to have to go for these 4. Because gag, bit and muzzle definitely are similar things. Oh, it's not even one away. Okay, in that case, I'm completely wrong. Right, so a gag, a bit, a sketch, and an act, those are all similar. Comedic routines. Right, I was just completely ignoring gag because I was convinced it was going to go with muzzle. Okay, so is it going to be these 4? Yeah, because the other 4 are poles. Tadpole, flagpole, beanpole, maypole. So these are all... I mean, I said paw, tail and fur were parts of the animal, like a dog. I didn't know a muzzle was... I thought the muzzle was like the thing that you put on a horse's mouth to stop it biting or something. I suppose that's what a bit is, but I thought they were similar. Maybe I'm thinking of something different. Maybe muzzle has more than one meaning. I don't know. Either way, we've got the group, and then these 4 are all poles, aren't they? As I said. So we got there in the end. I just needed to get that wrong guess out the way, and that actually really helped. The fact that it was nowhere near correct meant that I could completely change my way of thinking, and got the other groups pretty quickly after that, surprisingly. How did you get on with this one? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.